P0lice used fake bomb threat to install cameras in Robert Kraft sex spa case. Police used a fake bomb threat to clear out a Florida spa and install cameras as part of a prostitution investigation before New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft and others allegedly visited, according to a court filing made public Wednesday. Kraft's attorneys wrote in an expanded motion to suppress the video footage that Jupiter Police Department JPD officers caused a phony suspicious package warning to be issued for the spa in order to force an evacuation so the JPD could install hidden cameras inside several of its private massage rooms, as well as in the spa's lobby. The newest motion again alleges police used illusions. This ruse concealed the execution of the warrant from the spa, its employees, and its customers, none of whom received notice of the issuance of the warrant or the placement of hidden video cameras on spa premises, Jack Goldberger, Kraft's Florida-based attorney, wrote. Kraft was one of 24 men charged with soliciting prostitution over alleged visits to the Orchids of Asia Day Spa in Jupiter. Kraft allegedly he has pleaded not guilty to 2 misdemeanor solicitation charges and asked for a jury trial. The sneak and peek search warrant application was attached to the filing. The warrant, police used the bomb threat to install the cameras January 18, according to the latest filing by Kraft's attorneys. The warrant approved love and loss sex trafficking Delayed notice warrants can be legally obtained under the Patriot Act that became federal law after 9/11. There are limitations. The filing also took issue with the inspections of the spa conducted by Florida Department of Health specialist Karen Herzog, whose reports have been included in other warrants issued around the state as part of the prostitution sting that led to more than 300 arrests. Jupiter Police Detective Andrew Sharp wrote in the warrant application that Herzog advised it appeared as though the female employees were living there as there were 2 rooms with beds, including sheets and pillows. However, the report, obtained by USA Today Sports from Herzog's November 2018 visit to the Orchids of Asia Day Spa, had N. Sharp made his reckless leap over to human trafficking based on supposed evidence consisting of such things as observing a refrigerator stocked with food, 2 beds, and clothing, all of which may be routinely observed at any number of places of employment, including law offices, for reasons having nothing to do with human trafficking, Goldberger wrote. It strains credulity, however, to believe that Herzog would have observed such items and linked them to trafficking but somehow omitted those pictures from her report, choosing instead to include pictures of an open refrigerator and freezer. The other main argument Kraft's lawyers made in their latest motion to suppress video evidence involved the January 20 traffic stop after Kraft allegedly exited the spa. That stop had lower in the 92-page filing, there was a preview of another argument. There was no explicit sex act demanded, thus no solicitation occurred. According to the charging documents, Kraft gave the spa employees ammonia, but there's no mention of Kraft talking to the employees. The warrant issued, in sum, the worst offenses that jump out from this record are not those committed by one or another masseuse or patron whose massage allegedly included a consensual sexual act, Goldberger wrote. Far more worrisome. Follow H.A. Perez on Twitter. This article originally appeared on USA Today.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.